Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. If you are a seafood lover, then today's recipe is just for you. Now, before I start with my video, I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. We have reached 1000 subscribers, and this is a very big achievement for me. And all this credit goes to you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. So today I'm going to make a very simple and easy kingfish masala with very basic ingredients which are already there in our kitchen. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. Here I have a big size kingfish which I've cut into 4 equal parts. Now we'll season it with salt and turmeric powder. So we apply salt on both the sides as well as the turmeric powder. We'll rub it nicely with our hands and we'll keep it aside while we start with the cooking. So here I have kept few ingredients ready for the kingfish masala. This is 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 green chili which I have given a slit, 1 inch ginger, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, and curry leaves. So let's begin with the cooking. So here I've taken a pan and I will heat around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'll just slightly heat it. Once it's hot, I will add in the finely chopped ginger and garlic. Now just make sure that you don't wait until the garlic and the ginger turns dark brown. So while it's sauteing, we'll add in fresh curry leaves, 1 green chili and 7 to 8 peppercorns. I'll just give it a mix. Now the idea here is not to burn all of these ingredients. So I'll add in the finely chopped onion. And now we will fry the onions until they are softened and light brown in color. Okay, so as you can see, the onions have softened and they have changed their color to light brown. And now at this stage, I will add the 1 medium sized tomato which I finely chopped. And I'll add salt to it so that the tomato softens and cooks faster. Now during this process of frying the onions and tomato, it's very important to keep a check on the heat. Okay, just make sure that the heat is not too high, not too low, and keep stirring it, okay, so that the masala doesn't burn. Because what happens is if the masala burns, the entire recipe goes for a toss. So that's the reason it's very important for you to regularly check. Now in this case, I have closed it with a lid so that the tomato cooks faster, okay, and it leaves water and it cooks in its water itself. So here, as you can see, the tomato has softened and I made sure that the onions and the tomatoes don't burn. Alright, so that's it. Now it's time to add our dried spices. So here goes in a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We'll mix all this together. Now at this stage, we'll just saute it for around 10 to 20 seconds, okay, and after that we will add water. So the reason why we'll add water is so that our dried spices also don't get burned. So here I'll just add fresh coriander leaves. Just give it a mix. Now the fresh coriander leaves that I added, it's added along with the stems. Okay, the stems give a nice flavor to our recipe, so just make sure that you add the stems as well, or even if you have only the stems, which I always do keep in my refrigerator, so I add the stems to most of the recipes so that it gives a nice flavor. Now here I'll add a little water. As you can see, the masala is drying up, so I'll be adding water little by little, so don't add all the water together. We don't want to make a thin gravy, so we need to keep it thick, and we'll simmer it. Now at this stage, as you can see, the simmering is going on. I'll be adding the kingfish slices. So here goes in the kingfish pieces. Now these kingfish won't take much time to cook. Okay, so our masala is already cooked nicely. It has flavorized. Now it's only the fish that needs to be cooked. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes maximum. So we just apply the masala all over the fish and we'll let the fish cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on high flame with the lid closed. Okay, so why I cook it only for 1 to 2 minutes is because the fish will cook faster, and after the cooking is done I will close it with a lid so that the cooking process is still on. If you overcook the fish, okay, the fish might break and we don't want that to happen. It doesn't look good. So here I've covered it with the lid and I will let it cook on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I will turn off the flame and our recipe is done. Wow, look at this. Can you hear the sizzling sound? Okay, so our recipe is perfectly done and the masala also is cooked well. And look at this fish. I'll just pick it up for you. The fish is nice and tender and it's not breaking off. If you overcook it, it might break. So just make sure that you don't overcook the fish or else it might break. And now we will garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. We will close this with the lid. The flame is off. We will let it rest for 5 minutes before we serve it hot. I like to eat it with dal rice. You can also eat it with chapati or you can make a rice bhakri also. So that's it. Our recipe is done. Alright, that's about it guys. It was that simple to make this kingfish masala recipe. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like this video. And once again, all you subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Continue pouring your love to me and I will come up with more and more recipe, more and more video, and I'll try and do something new on my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Share this video with your friends and family. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe, how you like this video. If you have any recommendation, please do let me know in the comments below. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.